Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 33. This is also a very simple and interesting tutorial. We will learn sketch, boss extrude, offset, and trim commands for completing this small part using SolidWorks. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Make it vertical. View sketch relations.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 65 millimeters. Distance is 65 millimeters. Height is 112.5 millimeters.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 44 millimeters.
Press OK.
Select these circles and make them equal. Repeat as earlier. Select these circles and make them equal. Diameter is 44 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 44 millimeters. Radius is 35 millimeters, so diameter is 70 millimeters.
Press OK.
Now take Offset Entities command. Make sure bidirectional is checked.
Press OK.
Hide sketch relations. Hide sketch dimensions.
Now take Trim Entities command. Select Power Trim. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Press Calculate.
Press OK. The sketch is fully defined.
Use depth 20 mm.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Use depth 20 mm.
Press OK. Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.